Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian and Jira. In this video I want to show how to create invoices from Tempo Time. When you create invoices from Team Time, the app imports time from Jira by default. But if you're using Tempo Timesheets, you can enable Tempo integration to start importing time from Tempo. To do this, you need to go to Clerk Settings, Integrations, and click Connect Tempo Timesheets. The connection process is pretty simple. It requires just a couple of clicks. So now Tempo is connected. So when you will create invoices from Team Time, the time will be imported from Tempo now. Plus we will have new time filtering options for time import. Let's open the invoice editor and check what time filters we have now. So as you see, we can filter time by Tempo accounts. We can import only Tempo billable time into invoice. And we can filter time by custom Tempo work attributes. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.